How to view apps that have access to iMessages on iOS 26 on your iPhone. Tap on Settings. Go ahead and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Make sure that you have the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 26. Now that I've updated your iPhone, scroll up again until you get to Apps. Tap on Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Message, or you search for Message from the apps you have on your device. Now scroll up until you get to iMessage apps. Tap on it. Now here are the apps that can access, or that you can send, that can access your iMessages. Delete the apps from the home screen to also delete the iMessage apps. So guys, if you get this tip and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more updates like this.